Welcome back, everybody. Now, today we're not gonna talk about Bitcoin, Ethereum. However, we're going to talk about life. Spend 5 minutes of your time. Only 5 minutes is the video, okay? Watch the video to the end. You will see how I am using the crypto and making something incredible for all these amazing children. We did something incredible this time. Do you know what we did? We find a teacher. So check this out. If you're new to my channel, I'm doing videos for passive platforms. However, I'm not gonna shill anything. I hate shilling actually. I'm not gonna talk about passive platforms. Today we're going to talk about something else. It's called life. Okay, the real life. Okay, not some Lambo, not Porsche, no Ferrari. Okay, we're going to talk about what's happening in the world. Okay, so I start a journey. It's called More You Give, More You Receive. Okay, it's called Let's Make Some Different, and I am making we are making a difference. Okay, so this is where we helping. Look this, thank you for the person who is helping me. There one family from Philippines and this amazing gentleman from India. Look where they live. Look, they are all homeless. Okay, so what we did, okay, we love this space right here and I hope I will visit them next year. That's my plan. Okay, so we're going to go and we hire this teacher. Okay, this lady right here, she is working for us. She's on salary. Every month we have materials and she's teaching the kids 5 days a week for 5 hours, and I think they have 1 hour like singing and all that stuff. Okay, every single week, 5 days a week. That's what we did. That's how strong is crypto. Okay, you don't need to do a lot to help. You just need to start something so you can help. Okay, look where they live, guys. They are all homeless. The parents don't work, no electricity, no water. Okay, and look, this is their school. This we create this school right there. Okay, piece of tent. We get a teacher, we get the kids and crack on. They singing, they listening, and look, they're writing. You watch the video to the end. Watch the video. We give them presents. Look where they are. Okay, now remember, the quote of today's video is: wherever you believe about yourself on the inside is what you will maintain on the outside, manifest on the outside. Okay, so make sure you have positive thoughts. Let's go and watch the video. Again, thank you so much for everybody watching. Please subscribe and leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. Enjoy.
So we have reached here again in the community slum, and this time with the initiative of Cryptophil, we have appointed a teacher. So today we are quite excited as the children are getting lessons from the teacher. We are trying our best to get them a basic education. As you know, these kids are quite poor. Their parents don't belong. Their parents can't afford the basic education. So we are trying our best to get them a basic education so that in future they can come out from the vicious circle of poverty. We are also trying our best to have them to have them basic co-curricular activities like playing games and other stuff. So in future we will also provide them uh, playing equipments like ball, bat, and other games. Maybe possible we can also get them a bicycle also for all community children. So we will keep update what children are learning and how they are getting benefit. So you can see the surroundings they live hereby. So most of the children are engaged into begging. They go to the traffic light area, and all, and engage into begging. So their parents are the laborers basically. So we are trying our best with the help of the initiative of Cryptophil. So today we'll be distributing these stuff. These are playing balls, some notebooks, drawing sheet. These are colors, some eraser, sharpener, and for all kids candy also. So we are distributing these stuff so that today they can draw some creative painting for all kids. Thank you, Phil, for providing all such stuff so that kids get benefits in best possible way. Now we're distributing the notebook to all the kids so that they can practice their lesson, what they are getting in teaching. Now distributing playing balls to all the kids. Hope they will have lot of fun with the balls. Thank you once again, Cryptophil, for being a reason for the happiness of kids today. So finally the kids are drawing the art, expressing their creativity. So finally we are leaving. It was a great day with the kids. Kids were quite happy. And thank you once again, Cryptophil, for all your love and support. Thank you so much.